So Nina's watching birds. This is what she does. Huh? What's she doing? It's not even a meow. I don't. What do you call that? See? Huh? You're such a silly girl. Huh? What's the birds? That's a dog. See the birds? Yeah? And this is Belle. She's gonna go up there to watch. To try to get at the TV. If you jump and attack my TV, I'll kill you. Yeah, I love you, but you know. Look at her. She's trying to get at the TV. You better not jump on it. There's already a big, not a scratch, but as you can see, a crack. Huh? She got? Huh? She got? Huh? Interesting. Even Zoe's watching. Huh? Can't fail.